1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sports Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Old W31 tribute car. Underneath the hood, Oldsmobile 350 Rocket V8 power. And that does have a Holley Sniper EFI system on it. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Chrome looks good. Cold air intake hood. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it on this one. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from every angle. You also see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Rally style wheel. Chrome, looking good on the wheels also. Coupe or Cobra radial GTs. So we take a look down the passenger side of this car. These panels are nice and straight. Again, you can see this car has a nice shine to it. This is an original Aspen green car, paint code 45. Has had a repaint, obviously, to a green that pops a little bit more. Interior trim code 942. That is a green, also dark green, nice contrast. They've done a nice job on this car. There's some aftermarket gauges in the dash, retro sound style radio. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it running a bit. First, want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the meats on the rear of it, nice wide tires. We do have some vinyl on the back glass, so it's got a Grinch theme to it. Obviously at car shows, they've again had a little Grinch theme to it. We'll send along the center armrest with it also. And that is removable, obviously. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. It does have headers, your glass packs, kind of a cherry bomb style muffler on it. And again, you can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Once again, all those still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Oldsmobiles or 70s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. Of course, we always like that. And as you look up and down this driver's side, you can also see it's free of really any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint has a nice shine to it. That W31 tribute stripe down the belt line. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I wouldn't be surprised if these are original door panels, carpeting on the bottom of the doors, and then also the bench seat. The reason I say that, there is a little bit of wear, separation in that piping, but the same style. This would have came with new. You can see seat belts intact. Of course, you're going to have your shoulder belt, and then you'll also have your lap belt. So you had two receiver belts, and then of course one for the center passenger, and then two for the passenger side. Passenger tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. Gauges are working. Oil pressure, water temp, and volts according to the technician that looked at it, as well as the radio and the wipers. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Your Sniper EFI readout is right down here. Dash looks good. Take a look at the headliner, also a nice shade. This baby's got a rumble to it. Let's listen to this. That'll turn All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the hood popped, show you the engine bay, and then as usual, stick around to the end of this video. Jason will take this car for a drive. I think this will be a fun one. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Matches the exterior paint. More of the little Grinch theme. That is vinyl. Again, it'll come off if it's not your thing. Aluminum radiator. Chrome bright work underneath there. Of course, the air cleaner cover, valve covers, alternator. Oldsmobile Rocket 350. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. Was a factory AC car, not complete anymore. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sports Coupe, old W31 Tribute. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. I gotta say, I love the color. And it really pops against the black stripes and the chrome. We have sniper fuel injection for excellent throttle response and power. And it sounds great too. And we're up to speed quickly. Now the speedometer is reading a little fast, I can tell, but it does work. The fuel gauge is showing a little over a quarter of a tank. We do have a clock right here. The blower motor works, the wipers work. We have a Sniper EFI screen down below, giving us all the vital statistics. A retro sound style radio.
St. Peter Tobacco and Cigar.
That sounds good as well. And right here, oil pressure showing 50 psi. Water temperature 180, and the volts are charging over 14. This car looks great inside and out. That what appears to be factory green interior going really well with the nice metallic bright green on the outside. And yes, it does sound great. As you just heard, the idle especially is nice. Brakes are smooth. Whoops. Okay, she's got some power. And it shifts just at the right points to give you that power. Corners nicely. Firm shifts from the automatic transmission, and that's what you want. What a great running Oldsmobile. Fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of the 70 Cutlass at uniqueclassiccars.com.